identify if the following equations are linear equations with two variables. Let us solve the exercise and let's see which are the equations come under the category of linear equations with two variables. So let us go one by one. This is the first one, 4m. M is a variable, degree is 1. N is a variable, degree is 1. Both the variables have the same degree. So this is a linear equation with two variables. Correct answer. Second, here the variable is x, power is 2, y, the power is 1. The maximum degree is 2. So this is not a linear expression. So this is no. Here the power is 1, x power is 1, y power is 1. The coefficient can be any real number. So this is no problem. This is no problem. So two variables with highest degree of both the variable is 1. So this lies under the category of linear equations in two variables. Here the x is 1, the y is 1, but here the coefficient of x is equal to 0, which is not allowed, because this term will become 0 and then the remaining expression will be only linear equation with only one variable. So this is not linear equation with two variables. Yes, this is a linear equation with one variable. Coming down here, the power of x is equal to 1, y is a 1, 0.3 is a real number, acceptable. But here, the coefficient of y, which is a variable, is 0, which is not acceptable. So this is not a linear expression, linear equation with two variables. It will become one linear equation with one variable. Here, it is 1 upon 4 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 4. See, our format is this one. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here it is 4 upon x. That means 4 into x raised to minus 1 plus 5 into y raised to minus 1 is equal to 4. So here the power is minus 1, which does not satisfy the condition of linear equation. So this is not a linear equation. But this we can solve in a different way that we'll see later. Right? We can convert this equation into a linear equation, but that we'll study in the subsequent next few lectures. But at present, this format is not linear expression. Coming down to again to this one, 7. Here is x into y is to 1, but there is no multiplication of the two variables. So here is a multiplication which is not allowed. So this is again not a linear equation with two variables. So I hope now you can easily understand the difference between linear equation with one variable and